Hi, today is February the 4th, and I'll start with the trading for today, just for those who are interested. The trade window gives the figures 52.99 sale, 50.98 buy. That means profit of 201,000. So today was tricky day because the Nifty fell after going up and it was very unpredictable. If you see today's chart, it rose up very sharply. And I had some calls of yesterday, 1,000 of them, which I had purchased, and they were at a loss when I closed the day. But today, because of this sharp increase, I sold it at a profit. I also purchased puts at the same time, and because it was rising, I was worried. But gradually, the put started becoming so valuable that it gave me a good profit here. Then again, the calls I had purchased during this time, I saw it appreciate, then come down, then again appreciate. Finally, in this phase, I sold my calls and finished the day with a profit of 2 lakhs. Going back to the windows. Now, so I open the order book and start with page number 1. So a lot of pages today because of the trades. See here, I bought call at 593, 250 of them, and I sold it at 630 almost immediately, like 918 and 918 within seconds, and made a profit of 37 into 250. Then I bought this 1,000 put at 650 because when the call is up, put is low. The 1,025 which I had yesterday, which was lying at 500, I sold today at around 720. Then I purchased all 1,000 at 720, sold it at 735, 15,000. Then again I bought at 750,000. I bought 250 again and then sold 250 at a profit of 30 into 250, 7,500. Here also there is a small profit. So it was all call. And then at around 10 o'clock, I sold the 1,000 I had, not at full value because I was kind of afraid. Had I waited, it would have been a real big bonanza because the put ended at 760 and I had bought it at 650. So that would have great reward. But I had to manage whatever the situation was. Then it was all basically calls, again purchase at 620. So this gives you just an idea of all our puts now. I bought, sold. You see here, it's 760 now. In the morning it was 650. So this is the closing day. So 565 sold at 575. 590 sold at profit. 635 sold at 650. 635 again at profit. So this whole exercise went on. And the other thing I did was many times when the put is rising, when you see this put is rising in value. So I sold at this point, I sold at this point, I sold at this point, I bought at this point. Because here, or sorry, I bought it at this point because when the peak goes up, the put is very low. So this was a tactic I employed throughout the day. Sold first, buy. And so open position to show I have nothing left. It's all squared up, it's blank. Order book, total bought and sold is approximately 8,225 sold, 7,800 bought. Because extra is the one which I had bought yesterday. So overall, there was a mixed day for the traders. People were expecting the call to be high, but ultimately it was minus 220. As you can see, after the initial burst, it all went down and then gradually. So minus 220 was the Bank Nifty, minus 143 Sensex. Another thing is, if you log in at this site, moneycontrol.com indices, at 6:30, it shows you pre-market. If it is green, that means market will open positively. So let's see what happens on today's Friday, Monday. Thanks a lot.